My name is Scherer II. I'm a warehouse fulfillment specialist here at Noregon. I'm responsible for taking care of any outgoing and incoming orders, as well as the quality assurance on all orders going to the customers. Our monthly numbers are pretty impressive. We can average anywhere between 800 to 1,000 orders a month. In my opinion, we have one of the greatest fulfillment teams I've had the pleasure to work with. We can get an order in, process it, and get it out to the customer between 8 and 24 hours for about 80% of all of our orders. It's quite a bit of work, so we're running 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. full tilt. All we want to do is make sure the customers are taken care of. First thought in our mind, this is a piece of equipment that cannot wait. So one of the things that makes us efficient is taking the customer into thought, like, we have to take care of this person. I explain this to every single new employee that we get into the warehouse. What we do isn't just packing boxes and fulfilling orders. We provide people jobs. This equipment puts food on the tables for people. This pays for college tuitions. There's an entire industry that is necessary, the trucking industry, for the food in your cabinet and the clothes on your back. They're all carried on the backs of trucks, and those trucks are carried on the backs of diagnostic tools like JPRO that keep them servicing, keep them on the road. When you put yourself into that kind of mindset, you innately want to take care of that customer. It can be lighthearted, but we actually take care of people.